Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Excel for free. Now, this method is going to be useful for both Windows and Mac users, and the best of all, this is going to be completely legal. Now, before we jump into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get notified for any of our upcoming videos. With that being said, let's get into our today's topic. So first thing you need to do is to go to this website called office.com. On the home page, you'll have a couple of options here. You need to go to the sign in option. Once you go to the sign in option, here it asks you if you have an existing Microsoft account or a Skype account or Xbox account, some kind of Microsoft account. You can log in with that, or alternatively you can create one. It's very easy and simple to create a new account, so you can just click on this option and then sign up for it. For now, I'm just going to log in with one of my existing accounts. Here it asks you if you want to stay signed in. You can either say yes or no. For now, I'm just going to say no. And here we are on the home page. Now here you can see a bunch of different options over here, different apps you can get over here. Today we're interested in the Microsoft Excel, so we're going to click on Excel. And if you click on Excel, it takes you to the home page of Excel. Here we have the option to open up a new blank workbook. We can also use one of these templates, and if we click on more templates here, it also gives you a bunch of options to start from. So it's really helpful overall. So if we go back to the home page, here we also have the option that you also get your recent documents which you've been working on. You can also pin any of these documents, and you also get the documents which have been shared with you. So you have the options over here. On top of this, you can also upload any of your workbooks which you've been working on your desktop computer or laptop. You can upload it over here, and then you can continue to work over here online. So for now, we're going to click on the new blank workbook, and this takes us to the blank Excel sheet or blank workbook. And here, as you can see, I can just type in numbers or anything I want. I can type in tags. So it's just like a normal Excel on your computer, and here on the top you have different tabs. You can save the documents. You can have the home tab, insert, formulas, data, review, view. You have almost all the functionalities which you have on your normal Excel on your desktop. And also you have the functionality to insert pivotables, tables, all those main functionalities which are there on your normal Excel. You can have those over here. Now that's all there is. This is how you can use Excel online for free, and it is completely legal. Good thing is you can go to save. You can go to file options, save it on your desktop or on your OneDrive online. You can also share this document with other people. So if you're working in a company, if you're an accountant or a data entry, or any, if you're a student, you can share the document with different people as well, and they could all make changes on the same document and then share it back over here. So that's all you need to do to get your Excel online for free. I hope this video helped you get your work done. I mean, the best thing about this is that you can access this anywhere. You don't need an Excel installed on your computer to use this. And if you are on the go somewhere and you have someone else's laptop where you don't really have an Excel, you can just go to this online version and edit any of your documents on the go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.